Hey guys, I've been a Pro Tools user for a long time.
Astăzi e 28 decembrie și acum deschid pentru prima dată Pro Tools 8 Serial Number. Așteptăm să vedem cum apare Pro Tools-ul, ce interfață are. Da, interesant. Noul Pro Tools. Bine, ne întoarcem la treabă. What's up? Today I'm going to install Pro Tools 11. Oh yeah! Acum am activat licența de Pro Tools 12. Versiunea 12.
But today I'm making an extra step and I'll become a Pro Tools HD user. As you can see right here. So, in order to register your Pro Tools HD license, you need a license and an instrument. Okay, so let's see how do we do this. Wow. Unboxing Pro Tools. Okay, and what do we have here? Okay, we have an iLok, as you can see. Yes, I think it's an iLok 3. Focus. Let's see. Okay, man, it's really small. Okay, we have an activation card, and on the back you have the Pro Tools HD activation code. This is it, guys. Nothing more here. Maybe right here. Warranty claims information. Okay. So let's register our Pro Tools HD license.